NCERT Syllabus for Class 2, English, Chapter 7. Listen and enjoy this poem. Rain. The rain is raining all around. It falls on fields and trees. It rains on the umbrellas here and on the ships at sea. Let's know the summary of this poem. This poem is all about a rainy day. The rain is falling everywhere. It is falling on fields and trees. It is falling on the umbrellas and also falling on the ships sailing in the sea. Let's know new word and their meanings from this poem. All around, everywhere, field, a piece of land used for farming, umbrella, a portable circular canopy to protect from rain, ship, a large-sized boat. Now let's know basic words and example sentences. Field, an area of open land planted with crops. Example sentences. Number 1. We were walking in the field. Number 2. The farmers were watering the crops in the field. Umbrellas, used for protection against sun and rain. Example sentences. Number 1. We should always carry umbrella in rainy days. Number 2. My umbrella is red in color. Ships, large boat for transporting people or goods by sea. Example sentences. Number 1. The ship left for England at 2 in the morning. Number 2. The travel cost of ship is very expensive. Question 1. Where does the rain fall? Answer. The rain falls on fields and trees. Question 2. What do people use when it rains? Answer. People use umbrella when it rains. Question 3. What do you do on a rainy day? Answer. I play with my friends on terrace on a rainy day. Question 4. How do you keep yourself dry in the rain? Answer. I use umbrella to keep myself dry in the rain. Question 5. Label the picture in English. Answer. Moon, sun, cloud, star. Well done, kids. For more educational videos, subscribe to Catrack Kids TV.